No, that's not how the hackers steal your password. Today, let's uncover the most common ways hackers get your passwords. Number 1, phishing. Tricking you might be the easiest way because I tricked you into watching this video by making an awesome thumbnail. Now let's get to the point. A hacker sends a fake email or message pretending to be Google, your bank, or another service. You click the link, see a login page that looks real, and enter your password. The hacker doesn't need to hack your password, you simply handed it over. Number 2, data breaches. The company gets hacked. Sometimes the victim isn't you. A company you have an account with gets hacked and attackers steal a database containing account information. If passwords weren't properly protected, they can become a serious problem. Number 3, reusing passwords. This is where things get scary. Imagine you use the same password for Instagram, your email, and an online store. One website gets breached. Now an attacker may try that same password on your other accounts. Number 4, malware. Your device is compromised. Some malicious software can monitor what happens on your device. That can potentially expose sensitive information, including credentials. Number 5, guessing weak passwords. Sometimes there's no sophisticated attack at all. Passwords like password123 or John1998 are simply much easier to guess than a long, unique password. Attackers can also use information that people publicly share to make guesses more effective. So don't get tricked again. Hackers don't always need to break through your password. Sometimes they just need to trick you into giving it to them, like I tricked you to subscribe my channel by posting contents like this. That's why the best defense isn't just a complicated password. Use a unique password for every account, turn on two-factor authentication, and think twice before clicking a login link.